I have Gary Cobain on the phone, my friend Amy Lou, and myself, and we're all being recorded.
A couple weeks ago, you called me out of the blue. We got into the conversation of the money, $20,000.
I feel sorry for fucking that girl.
Alana?
Oh, yeah, I keep trying to forget her name.
You had talked to Michelle, and she had said that for the autopsy, she was going to give you, through Alana, give you 20 grand.
Right.
You never got that money.
Nope, never got it. But not even a dime.
And you've only talked to Alana a couple times.
Yeah.
And did you ever have a three-way call with Michelle and Alana?
No.
No.